This is how I went from making $44,000 per year to making $543,000 per year with ultimate freedom. In 2010, I got my biology degree and I ended up getting a gig as a manufacturing scientist making $44,000 per year. It was just not a great work environment. I was actually showing up late to work and I ended up getting fired. After that, I picked up a sales gig. I was a sales representative selling products to Walmart, and I was making between $30,000 to $35,000 per year. After that, I ended up getting laid off, and then they would call me to come back in, but I decided that that wasn't something that I wanted to keep doing. Then I got a job as a debt collector at the Department of Education, basically calling people to collect debts, their student loans. The job just sucked, right? I was making probably $40,000 to $45,000 per year. I actually met somebody at that job that was doing real estate, and they told me that they were selling a property and they were about to make a commission for $60,000. I knew that that was something that I wanted to look into because obviously I wanted to make more money and have a better future. When I was doing real estate, I realized that there was a lot of footwork and it wasn't giving me freedom that I wanted. And I was always thinking about in the back of my head, e-commerce, selling products online. So I saved $50,000 and I went in and took the plunge. And now I'm making $543,000 per year selling products online with 2 brands and 2 dropshipping stores. If that's something that you guys want to do and you want to achieve ultimate freedom, click the link in my bio and let's get started.